Now I'm entering towards the Nana Plaza street, which is known for the adult street. So the nightlife here is awesome. Now check-in done for Bangkok.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to all of you my Thailand series. In this episode, I will tell about the nightlife of Bangkok. Before that, if you have not watched yet my PP episode, then you can click on the link which is already given in description. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe and don't miss any of my upcoming videos. After completed my Phi Phi Island trip, then I moved towards Bangkok, which took approximately 2 hours from International Airport Phuket. Then after I headed towards my hostel, which I booked online before started my Thailand trip. If you are coming to Thailand and want to stay somewhere, then you can book your online hotels, and the link details I have already given in description. In Bangkok, usually you will face more traffic than other cities of Thailand, but somehow I managed to reach my hostel in next 2 hours. When I reached my hostel, the evening party already started, and this type of evening party you will find everywhere in Bangkok's hotels.
After refreshed, I'm now going to go outside. Before go to outside, let me show you my bed. This is the 4-bed dorm type. Means 4 guys can sleep. Usually who comes with a group and family, they can book this type of hotel because it is very cheaper and also convenient. And in my case, I always like to do this because I always try to go outside by solo trip. So the one benefit I always get that when I stay with all this type of friends, I get more friends and connected more of them. And in the last Europe trip, I met more than 100 people like this, and I met them, I shared my stories, each other. It is really fantastic. So whenever you come in with a group, then try to take this type of bunker bed. So in this way, you can save money as well as also you can meet new peoples. And also there is a locker you can find out. They can give you lock also, otherwise if you have one lock then you can lock it. It depends on you. And you know how much I paid for this bed? Near about you can say 11 to 1200 rupees. So it is very cheaper.
After I came down, I found 2 Indian guys who were staying in the same hostel.
Hi, Ajit. Ajit, hi, Kishan.
Oh, okay.
We are coming for the party. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I could not able to join the party because my plan was to explore the nightlife of Bangkok. And that's why I headed towards the Nana Plaza, which was the 5 km away from my hostel. On the way to Nana Plaza, there is another famous red light street called Sawi Cowboy, which is known for the massage and night parties. This is a short street where you will find near about 40 go-go bars.
This city also never sleeps like Dubai, but it is the more entertainment city. People used to come here to do the parties. Now I'm entering towards the Nana Plaza street, which is known for the adult street. So the nightlife here is awesome.
Nana Plaza located in Sukhumvit Sai 4, which is Bangkok's naughty central. This place is more adult sense, that means no families, no market, only for bars and the restaurants which is open for the night parties. So whenever you will coming to this place, then don't go with your families. But this place will be heaven for you if you are coming with your friends and want to do the night parties. If you are curious to know about this place like me, then you can strolling in for a look.
I am now heading towards the main gate of the Nana Plaza, where is the entry point. Towards the gate I will not go because I don't have to do anything, because I can't be go with my camera. And if you are coming into Bangkok, come to the street. But if you want to do something, then make sure about your safety and your health.
You won't able to allow enter inside the Nana Plaza with your vlogging camera, so make sure when you will be here, don't try to take any videos and pictures.
This is the point which is the adultery point. This is the most famous. People used to come here all over the world. I can't go there because the camera is not allowed. This street is known as for the adult street, which is very popular in Bangkok. The whole night you will find all over the people will be around here. And
If you are non-alcoholic guy like me, then don't take any soft drinks in bar because you will have to pay 5 times more than the usual price. It was time 1:30, but the market was still crowded. I was feeling so tired, so I decided to return back to my hostel. For your kind information, in Thailand you can buy beers from any of supermarket in cheaper price. The 7-Eleven supermarket is very popular in Thailand. You will find the supermarket everywhere in Thailand where you can find all necessary stuffs along with the food and the beer as well.
Let's see what are the vegetarian food that are available.
After bought my food from supermarket, then I headed towards my hostel. I had only one night to spend in Bangkok, but if you are coming to Bangkok, then you can spend 2 to 3 nights where you can explore other historical places. But my plan was to spend more time in Pattaya, so next day I traveled towards Pattaya. So guys, in next episode, be ready to watch the another nightlife city, that is Pattaya, and we will tell other stories about the city. Stay tuned and thanks for watching till end.